Welcome to Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai is in the north of Thailand and it's a small city but really has the whole mixture of everything that you could want to do in this amazing country. There's elephant sanctuaries, there's cooking classes, there's so much that you can do here, and we have got 2 nights to explore the beautiful Chiang Mai city. Okay, I'm going to show you the room here at Gatega Village Hotel because this is one of the nicest hotels that we've stayed at for quite a while, and it was only £35 a night. So this is the bathroom. It's absolutely huge. Like, just look at that shower. I'm so like...
Massive shower.
Oh my god, that's perfect. Okay, then we've got a little studio kitchen here. These robes, like for one of these. And then we have this gigantic bed, this huge room, little seating area, and the best bit,
and a little outdoor bar.
And a little curtain so you can pull it, which is good. I mean, this is incredible for the price. That is one thing about Chiang Mai, is that the hotels are way cheaper here than they are in other areas. It's incredible. Good pick, Sam.
Thank you.
And for just now, we're gonna go and check out the hotel's pool because it looks incredible. And then we're gonna go and head to the night market this evening. So very excited to try some tasty food because I feel like Chiang Mai is known for having delicious food.
I can't wait.
Okay, so we've come to the walking street market on a Saturday night. It's already pretty busy. I'm feeling pretty hungry, and let's go explore.
So what do you get?
I've got some lime butterfly, which we got in one of the hotels that we had, and it is so tasty.
It's so good, isn't it? I don't even know what like, lime butterfly is.
I think it's just like a syrup. I don't know if it's a real thing, but it's good. Garlic breadstick.
Garlic bread on a stick.
I mean, what more could you want?
Yeah.
Okay, so we walked past this coconut pancake place like twice.
Couldn't resist.
Oh my god, it smells so good. That is amazing.
Yeah?
You need to try it. It's like so like I love coconut now. I can't believe I didn't know I liked coconut until I came here. It was 25 baht. It's so good.
It's so fresh, isn't it? It's
yeah,
like,
delicious. Can you make them for me at home?
I can try. Like, it doesn't even feel like coconut texture. It's just really, really soft. Like, it's so good. So first off, we've got some little Thai fish cakes.
We're playing this fun game where I sit here and Sam goes and gets the food, and then I don't get to pick it, but it means I don't have to go in the crowd.
You get fed.
I get fed. How much are these?
60.
60? That's quite premium for the market. They're really good. Oh, okay.
They got spice to them, didn't they?
Really, really nice.
I mean, they're a bit spicy.
Lemongrass. No, they're really good though.
Okay.
You will love that one.
They are really lemongrassy, and they've got a kick. You were right. How's your brow?
It didn't last very long, to be honest. It's okay.
And is it cucumber in the bottom?
Yeah, thank God, that cooled me down.
But
there is big tables, but it's easier to get a small table. Everyone for the big tables are pushing, running. No one cares about these ones, so I'll just stay here.
I'm quite enjoying the small little table.
Same. It's a nice like stretch to make sure my posture.
Enjoying the chicken satay as well.
I don't think it's satay.
It's not satay. It's just like grilled chicken. Grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken. It's good. Okay, now the beef.
Well, we accidentally already ate one beef so quickly because it was so good, and I'm halfway through this. I think the beef is better than the chicken. It's so good. I never want to be that guy with a mouthful eating on camera, but it's so good.
This is a Chiang Mai sausage. Don't know what it's called, but Sam wanted one of these.
It's called a Chiang Mai sausage.
It's called a Chiang Mai sausage. You can try it first. You're the one who wanted it.
Lots of lemongrass. lots of ginger. It's got a kick. I don't think you can eat this. 80 baht, but really good.
Big too. Big.
But good.
So we've ate lots of food and now we're gonna go and try and see some Muay Thai boxing, so I'm excited. Elbows.
What's it smell like?
Stinks of GP everywhere.
I like it.
So we had such a good time at the Muay Thai boxing last night. I can't believe it was only 600 baht and we were so close to the front, like you could see and feel the sweat off the boxers.
Yeah, you don't have to pay any extra. Like there was more ticket prices, wasn't there? There was one for 1,000, which was literally a row in front of us.
Yeah,
and then
not
there was
worth
a
it.
VIP section where it was like a box.
Yeah, they
with
wouldn't have been able to
aircon in.
hear it.
It was so random.
Yeah, it was funny. And then they also did this really weird thing where they put, I think just for entertainment, they put blindfolds on them all. It's actually the guy who's serving the popcorn and then this like really tiny guy. And they just all started boxing with blindfolds on, these four guys. It was so funny. But yeah, and
Definitely
then
experience to add.
yeah, I mean,
yeah, 100% worth going to.
Yeah, definitely, it was so much fun. And then today we've just gone to a cooking class, but I think we're going to put that in a separate video because I feel like I could just go on about that for ages. So
taste test.
delicious.